Yo, what's going on? This is the product unboxing of the EWK Excellent Working Experience. I would have called it Excellent Working Knowledge, but I don't know. It's your company. Do whatever. But it's Excellent Working Experience. My wife and I are here, and we are going to go on ahead and use this thing in action. It seems like it's going to be pretty interesting. Let's yank it out of the box. So, boom, right out of the box. There it goes. Now, you're probably wondering, what makes this so special? Why did I buy this thing? What makes it so different? Well, I'm going to show you that here right now. This right here hooks up to an air compressor. But wait, there's more. You don't have an air compressor, you can pump. This is a pump right here. So if your air compressor is out of commission, you can always use the hand pump. But today we're not going to be using the hand pump because I'm fancy and bougie and I've got a air compressor. Here's the tube right here. Today we're going to be changing the oil in a 2023 Sea-Doo Switch. I got a bunch of videos on this thing, so if you're interested, check out the series. They are in the playlist section. So let's dive into this oil change.
This is the main tube, and it comes with two extensions. You find the one that fits the best. This is a really small hole. So, tube to the main tube.
All right, now we have the end here, and we're gonna plug it in. There, push that in there, and turn. Make sure it locks in right there. Now, you want to make sure this is in the off position. You want to hold this back and connect it. There you go. You're hooked up. Now we're going to open this up oh so slowly. We're going to take a break for a second, but look, it's still rolling out. I gotta say, this is one of the easiest oil changes. My wife and I are sitting here just laughing away because we're only 5 minutes in and we're almost there. It's still flowing, guys.
It's the little things, man.
Yeah, check out the link below. Seriously, you're gonna be supporting the channel if you purchase this with my link below, so definitely support the channel if this is the type of stuff you're into. Now we're gonna take this out. We've sucked out all the oil. I've moved it around as many times. Look, not a drop on here. Now we're gonna unlock it. Just turn it, lock is off. I'll hold this, and that comes right out. Your whole entire hose has been disconnected. Look, now there's a lid. You wanna push this down in here so it's suctioned off. Push that down. Now you wanna take off your hose. And just like that, now you can go discard all the oil that's in this thing. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Comment down below if you've been using this thing and it's worked out for you. Check out the links. And yeah, guys, this has been fun. By far, like I said, I know I've said it before, but this was the easiest oil change I've ever done on this boat. No more oil in there. And I didn't break it, guys. I put it back together. It's supposed to do that. If you enjoyed today's content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll have more how-tos and unboxings and tech-related content coming your way. That's your boy Endless. Peace.